I'm delighted to invite you to the Physiological Society Member Forum, which is on the 20th of November. Please put it in your diaries, at which we will celebrate the contributions of physiology and the Physiological Society in supporting and promoting the exciting discipline of physiology, the science of life.
Physiology was really my first love in medical school. I've always been intrigued, fascinated, motivated by how the organism maintains homeostasis. And in the lecture today, I hope to share with you some of the enthusiasm I have for the physiologic implications of the work we've done.
Hello, I'm Richard Ribchester. I recently retired as Professor of Cellular Neuroscience at the University of Edinburgh, where I've been for many years. The Society have asked me to say a few words about my election to honorary membership of the Society, which is indeed a great honour for me, and so I'm very happy to try and do that.
So I'm delighted and honoured to have been elected as an honorary member of the Physiological Society. This was a society that I first joined some 40 or so years ago, and since then has provided a very supportive environment for me to develop my science.
I'm really delighted to be an honorary member of the Physiological Society.
I'm delighted to become an honorary member of this august society with a distinguished past and an amazing future.
Hello, my name is Aoife and I won the Rob Clarke Presentation Award at Future Physiology 2020. I was honoured to win the award and it's very nice to see hard work pay off.
Hi, my name is Sean Kerr and I won the Rob Clarke Presentation Award at Future Physiology 2020.